Okay, let's go. Open the box. Open the box. Let's see what's in there. Open the box. Help your sissy. Oh, you're gonna have to open that one too. This is mail call from Tim from Astral Auto Repairs. Becca, help your sister. Rebecca. Uh-oh, she's going down. That's okay. Go, open it. Well, she's coming back. What is it, Rose? You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, bring it over here. Don't rip the paper. Say something in there. What it says? Let me see. Let's see what it says. It says... I can't even see it. Oh, dear. It's called Hot Ass Mug. Dear Hector, Rose, and Rebecca, here's an awesome, amazing mug I got for you as a gift. Because you are cute, Rose, and you are cute, Rebecca. Love, Tim and Sylvia. I just put those words in there. Okay, Rose, let me see. Turn it around. Turn around. Right here. Open it right here. Right here, from right there. No, the other way. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to help you. All right, hold it. Oh, I'm ripping the box. Ooh. Don't break it. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, yeah, buddy. Buddy. Let me see. This is the team. This is the Timmy. Yeah, buddy. Look, Rose. Look, Rebecca. Yeah, buddy. All right, so this is a mail call from Tim from Astral Auto Repairs. We are part of Timmy. Yeah, buddy.